As you can see, page 3 starts with page number 1. Pages 1 and 2 don't have any page numbers. Here's how to do this. First, open the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, turn on formatting marks. These marks reveal hidden formatting in the document. Click at the end of page 2, open the Layout tab and click Breaks. Under Section Breaks, select Next Page, and you can now see the section break in the document. This splits the document into 2 separate sections. Go back to the Home tab and turn off formatting marks. Double-click the footer on page 3. This opens the Header and Footer tools. You'll see that page 3 is in section 2, and the footer is linked to the previous section. Click Page Number and select Bottom of Page. You'll see several styles here. I'll choose Plain Number 2 to place the page number in the center. The page numbers now appear in both sections, but they still continue counting straight through. Word links footers across sections by default. Click Link to Previous to unlink Section 2 from Section 1, and now Section 2 can be numbered on its own. Go to the footer on page 1 and delete the page number. Pages 1 and 2 stay unnumbered. Section 2 still continues the previous page numbering, showing 3. Click Page Number, then Format Page Numbers. Select Start At, and make sure it shows 1. Click OK. Page 3 now shows 1, and the count continues from there. Pages 1 and 2 stay unnumbered. There's a full playlist of word tips in the description. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.